What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today we got a few things on the agenda. Plan on getting train smoke back situated, man. Ain't drove train smoke in 2 weeks, man. Cause y'all know the shifter cable burn up. That's the plan. Gonna plan on shaking Meech down, and then y'all can see I'm finna drive it further though. But we're gonna test. We're gonna test it, man. Cause I gotta test, had to test something out, man. I'm trying something, but we're gonna test it, and y'all know, like I said, whatever translate in Mexico, translate over to the track. So me and wife gonna do that later. Plan on getting train smoke straight. Rick should come through. But right now, I'm finna drive, man. Go put some 93 in it. Cause it about eat, boy. It's on life support. If I don't eat, I hope I make it to gas station. And we're going to drive it over there, holler at Jesse, man, see what Jesse got going on. You know, just ride it. It's a good day. It's pretty. It's 80s. It ain't super hot. So, yeah, man, that's what we about to do. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in. Just came out the interstate. Put me a little 93 in there, about 5 gallon, quarter tank. A little bit. Took me to a quarter tank, man. I barely made it to the gas station. Y'all know me. That joke was dry, boy. I was saying, woo. I run on fumes, man, but we made it. But when I topped that hill, I said, hey, I cut it off and let it roll in there if I have to. But we made it. I got an oil leak. I think a valve cover leak, man, cause what I told y'all over here on this side the other week, one of the nuts came off. They go on the stud to hold it down. I believe it done blew the, well, I ain't no believe, I know. I know. I say it done blew the gasket out right there, cause this thing here made some crankcase pressure, man, so. And hey, if your junk ain't snug, you better believe you might well get ready to change that gasket out. And I don't know how long it been off, but it pushing it out, so I like hitting the exhaust, the header. So I'm gonna have to go over there. I got some gasket though. I got some of them steel silicone beaded gasket. I don't know, silicone seal with the steel in them. I got fresh set of them at the house though, so I get and change them over. Change them gaskets out. It's a little simple little job. So we're gonna have to do that. And yeah, man, finna go ahead and holler at the Lawless crew and then get back. Like I said, me and wife, we're gonna test this nag out later. I'm probably gonna make me 2 shakedowns and stuff. Then hopefully we get train smoke back going. Called the shifter cable, man. But y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking in. So we just made it back. So now, man, we finna go ahead and do that testing. Finna me and wife gonna run out here, man, make these 2 shakedowns. So I'm finna change some stuff. Get it ready right quick, get it done, man, before Rick pull up. We go ahead and tackle this train smoke, man. And leave that to plan. So, y'all stay tuned. Turn y'all on in a minute. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. Y'all see it, my friend Rick made it over here. We well, he getting train smoke cable knocked out. I just got finished testing Meech out. Me and wife going out there testing out some. Hey man, data, it never stopped. I told y'all, data is everything, man. Don't never get comfortable in nothing you do in life with the car or anything. Don't never get comfortable. My number one rule, so you know, you can't do nothing but get better. And I said, shoot, don't no one man know everything. I'm gonna tell y'all, it's time for them valves to be adjusted too. So I left some power on the table, man. The valves ain't been adjusted since I put it in there. So I know some need going, probably more than a few need to be snugged down, but we're gonna get that taken care of this week. But you got some good stud girdles, man. If you got some good $high stud girdles, you still, yeah, it won't be like all of them out or whatever. Like Dolo one time I think Dolo was 8 months. I ain't had nothing but two on that with Lou, but I got some real good stud girders, so it keep them from backing all the way off. But yeah, I left some on the table right there, man. Valve need to be hit. So we finna go get that done. And yeah. But yeah, man, we getting over train smoke, getting situated, so y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, it's a few days later. Train smoke still jacked up over there. Part came, man. I gotta get over there. I'll get on there and get that thing knocked out tomorrow. We just got back from R&B. We just been testing like crazy. Y'all saw the other day, man. We were testing in Meech. Then me and wife checked it out. Checked that oil leak. It coming from the kit can, man. We popped the valve cover off and stuff, man. We checked the valves out and all that stuff. And like I said, it was coming from the kit can, so it blowing a little mist. So I got that situated. But we just had R&B out, man, wife getting some practice in and stuff. She had some videos up on either Instagram or her Facebook, I think. She practicing, man. She ran her fastest pad ever, and it was a good one too. It was a good one. I ain't recorded, cause like I said, I wasn't focusing on recording. I'm more in coach mode, make sure she good and everything. I recorded for her reel and stuff, but she ran the fastest she done ever been. And she finally broke off in the mates. I tell y'all that much. And when she broke off in them, she broke off in them. She ain't tiptoeing them, she broke off in them. So she ran a nice one. I mean a nice one, man. Still a few things she gotta work on, but you know, that come with it. That come with it, man. That come with the game. She'll learn, she get better and better. Trying to get her ready, cause we're gonna take it to the track soon. We're gonna take it to the track soon, man. It's gonna be, like I said, track day mainly for wife and me showing her the ropes. The car be on slicks. I'm gonna shake it down too, cause I got something I'm trying to achieve, man, which I should do in the first pad. When I take it to like a tight track, we're gonna take it to a tight track, you know. It should do it the first pad. Then after that, I'm gonna just make one pass and all. It's just gonna be about wife again. Some seat time, you know, some seat time, getting comfortable with the foot brake. Then I show her the two-step, cause this car do go faster when you two-step launching and all that. I show her that little by little and all that stuff, man. You know, get her, but just getting her acclimated with it, get the feel of the shock and all of that, you know, when it take off. So yeah, man, we're finna start the training day with this, and then we'll take. I'm gonna get that. Like I said, I'm gonna get that bracket. The bracket came the other day, but I'm gonna get that bracket on train smoke and get the cable back hooked up onto the bottom. Then we can take it out jack stand. I'm gonna drive it, cause I ain't been driving it or whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and order the back wheels so we can take it to the track and get some slicks. I'm gonna put some 26-inch slicks on it just to see where it's at. Cause I mean, it don't need a 28 with the gear that's in it and all of that. Then we'll take it to the track, man, see how it do before I start making my changes in it and making it a little better. So, you know, I want to see where it's at. That way I ain't doing too much to it. That way y'all ain't seeing no video. I want to get a baseline. So we're going to get the, it will be on a 10-inch wheel though. It'll be a 10-inch wheel, that's a plus. You know, we're going to see what that thing get. But next track trip, we taking Dolo out on the 26s. We taking Dolo out on the 26s so I can really put it down on the gas. I ain't made no serious nitro pad. The last time I made with just the 80B nitro pad, trying to feel it out, the clocks weren't working that night. That been months ago. So we're gonna take Dolo probably this Friday, man. Y'all know me and wife, we'll go sometime back to back. We were trying to get Meech straight. We're going back to back, but man, we'll probably take a break. We'll be taking a break now on every other Friday. So we'll probably go this Friday and then we'll take Dolo on the 6s. And after that, man, the next track trip gonna be wifey. We're gonna be taking R&B. We're gonna be taking R&B, let her get some seat time, get some practice and all of that. And after that, I finally take train smoke. We'll take train smoke down there. But so Dolo next, Then we're gonna take R&B, and it cooling off. See, R&B, it gonna run better when it cool off top. So R&B, this perfect weather again for R&B. So for all of them really, but R&B really. When it get cold, boy, that joker they'll run, knock some numbers down. So yeah, that's what it is, man. So y'all got to see a lot of action today. I'm sorry I ain't recorded this for y'all, man, but you know, y'all got to see Meech. Meech went down through there and quick, man. I mean, pow, pow. So Meech definitely ran good, man. Meech ran good. I'm still gonna make that series nitro pad before the year out with, cause y'all know we ain't seen no full nitro pad on the radios yet. That joker just so violent on the radios, it ain't even funny. Still ain't got a clean nitro pad on the radios yet, not one. It's killing me, man. Not one, man. Ain't got not one pad. Meech, boy, Meech just. We'll get it though. We'll get it. But man, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.